Mercedes Benz ML350 engine light is on. I will check what is the code. Okay, I scanned that one. The code is P2459, which is the particulate filter regeneration frequency bank 1. This car need to be regeneration. We will go for the next step. Engine light is on. I check the particulate filter, need regeneration. I'm using Autel. Okay, diagnose. Let's choose the Mercedes Benz. Accept. Alright, auto selection 8. This is the VIN number. OK. Right hand drive steering. Right. Car's detail. Yes. Start function. Okay, couldn't find regeneration option in here. I have to go back to check other option. Diagnose, control unit. Then select drive. Alright, engine control unit. EC information, trouble code live, control unit adaptation. Control unit adaptation. Here, let me read it. Right here, regeneration of the diesel particulate filter. Okay, DPF when driving. Let's here, go here. Let's see. Okay. Warning: should regeneration be performed due to the oil loss? Alright, they said if there is oil inside the particulate filter or the turbocharger, there will be a massive smoke. I believe there is no oil. Anyway, I will check. Okay, yes. Okay, that says that was a warning. Alright, the good news is that there says ash content of the diesel particulate filter DPF is 0 gram. That means there is no blockage on the diesel particulate filter. Next step is to reset the DPF. Alright, after regeneration we need to reset the DPF, which is go taken process after replacement of the component diesel particulate filter. Go here. Right, note. I've read that one. The requirement is engine is running. Okay. Alright, In here we can see the ash content of the DPF diesel particulate filter is 0 gram. That means there is no blockage in the DPF diesel particulate filter. That's a good news. We can go to the next step, which is we have to press the F to process the next step.
From here we go F next. Okay, by pressing the button OK, the value is the control module array setting. Okay, go OK. Alright. The learning process is successfully carried out. Please press the button OK to continue. So this is it as well. Now we need to take this one for a test drive. The code is erased. Now I have to go for a test drive. That's it. No engine light. Go for a test drive.
Thank you guys for your watching. See you on the next video.